Hello everyone, I'm Ishani, design team member at CrafTangles, and as I continue for the second year as the designer for cards, I have for you the unboxing video of my design team goodies. I've already opened my box and well, I was not very careful and I cut my finger. I'm sure you're thinking, how did I manage to do that? How can you cut your finger while opening a box? I can't tell you, I'm too embarrassed. So I had to skip the part when I was opening the box, but let's start now with 12 by 12 cardstock by CrafTangles. I absolutely love their cardstocks, and in the recent launch they've included various thickness of paper. I love to use 270 and 250 GSM for my cards. Let me show you the colors of these paper. This is flamingo pink. This beautiful green is sap green. Here is lilac and this lovely canary yellow. This is one of my favorites, old lace, and another favorite, blush pink. I love this tangerine orange for Indian themed cards. Let me show you the dual textured cardstock that I use in most of my cards. So it has two textures. This one is the matte side and the other one is a glossy side. You can use both the sides as per your convenience. I love to use the matte side for ink blending. And even for alcohol ink coloring, it is beautiful. Let us go ahead and see some other colors. You can check the website to see more colors. This one is Earl Grey, another favorite of mine, and blush pink again. And you see the different shades of colors. This is red, this is wine red. This again is old lace. This is an assorted pack. But you can certainly check the website and you'll get something like this where the weight of the paper and the size would be written. And you have so many colors to choose from, so many. You would love if you've not checked it yet. Like this is desert sand cardstock and also available in A4 size. If you're fond of A4 size in the same color, you'll surely get those too. While ordering, just keep a look on the GSM and the size of the paper and you'll get the right paper. Let's go ahead and see what are these sentiment sheets. This is birthday sentiments 1 and 2, and if you've seen my shaker card video of an anniversary card, I've used a similar sentiment sheet for my card. These birthday sentiments are so lovely. The paper is sturdy and you have big fonts and small fonts and can be placed in scrapbooks, albums, cards, any of your paper crafts or any birthday project for that matter. And the best thing is that they are available in black also. So you can have some contrasting sentiments on your cards as well. These are similar sentiment sheets, wedding sentiments 1 and 2 on a sturdy 300 GSM paper. And has some cool sentiments and quotes perfect for a wedding project, maybe an album. You can use any of these, cut to your desired size and put them on your projects. There are new element sheets, wedding bells 1. And look at how cute this is. Beautiful additions for your albums and scrapbooks. These are also in 300 GSM. These come in 3 sheets and look at this adorable illustration. We can cut it out and mix and match with the other images. Also, there are sentiments which we can include in our projects. These are perfect element sheets for the coming wedding season. You can mix and match the little elements like mixing the wreath with the banner or any of the ideas that you come up with for the albums and for the cards, anything. Here's another adorable element sheet called Milestone 1. You can cut these placards and use for the baby's milestones. first week, second month. Maybe take a picture of the baby with these placards and use them for their scrapbooks later. Or maybe make a small album with these element sheets. This is a baby girl element pack. You get a similar baby boy element pack at the HNDMD website. Let's see, what are these? These are sequins and beads by CrafTangles, and they come in various sizes and shapes and colors. Like this one is shimmer baby pink squares, which can be used as embellishments or shaker elements. These are iridescent seed beads in coral red, perfect for a shaker. This is gunmetal. And these are natural white transparent beads. Let me show you how I use them in one of my shaker cards. If you are intimidated by shaker cards, then I have shared a tutorial on making simple and easy shaker cards, and I'll link the tutorial in the comments of this video for you to check. These are amber yellow beads and these iridescent blue beads. And here we have fern green seed beads. These are all must if you're a card maker or if you include interactive elements in your scrapbooks and albums. Let's go ahead and see the beautiful 6x6 pattern papers. These are few. Let's see this one, which is the latest in the release. You must have seen this in the release video. It can be paired up beautifully with the elements pack and the sentiment sheet and made into lovely handmade albums. The colors are so soothing and pretty and will make any paper craft look so elegant. Just have a look at these beautiful illustrations on these pattern papers. The watercolor soft look looks so pretty. They will look so beautiful on a scrapbook too, with few pictures of the wedding and the bride and the groom, and pairing it up with these elements. Just gorgeous. Then this is another paper pack called Countryside, and I love the colors and the pretty illustrations. In the similar lines is another lovely 6x6 paper pack called Wanderlust with watercolored illustrations. And this one is All for Love paper pack with classic prints of heart and scripts and stripes, and perfect for any love card or anniversary project. Let's go ahead and see the stamps. Let me start with the stamp which has recently been launched called Family, and this quote itself would be the center of attraction of any paper craft. You must have seen this You're in My Thoughts stamp and the various projects shared by the design team at the blog. These are the few cards that I had handy to show you how I used my floral stamp for making various floral cards. And you see this dew? I'll show you the product too in a while. If you've not checked these cards, you can check my video tutorial if you would like to see how I made these. Coming to this adorable stamp called Birthday Girl, and it has lovely sentiments. We have this beautiful ethnic border stamp which will make perfect designs for any Indian themed card or project. This is a stitched scallop die, and here is a birthday die which is actually a coordinating die to the birthday wishes stamp set. You can cut the font and the shadow with the dies, and this birthday wishes stamp has lovely sentiments to add on any of the projects. The next is Love is in the Air stamp set with lovely sentiments, and then we have this adorable stamp set called Rain or Shine. If you've not checked my last video, you must check for the 3 ideas I've shared with this one stamp. Then these are some adorable stamps for the upcoming festival of Diwali with lovely sentiments and beautiful illustrations. And this stamp with husband and wife and kids. Isn't it perfect for sending Diwali love to your relatives? Next is this beautiful stamp for the upcoming wedding season and would make perfect cards with this wedding sentiment sheets too. And lastly, this amazing masculine stamp with such cool illustrations. Well, that's not it, because I have something else to show you too. Do you remember those dewdrops on the cards? I'll show you the beautiful gem drops by CrafTangles, which were launched earlier in the year. And they come in beautiful colors and are lovely touch to any paper craft. They come in the colors that are mentioned in the bottles, like aquamarine, this is clear quartz, and this was the one that I used for my card and gave the dewy effect. Don't they look lovely? I've used them in this card too, with the stars, the little clear dots. And for this card, where I have used the red and yellow, which are red jasper and yellow citrine. I think they are perfect addition to our craft supplies and do not even burn a hole in the pocket. Check out my cards to see how I use them. If you have any questions regarding any of these products, you can ask in the comments below. And I hope you will check out the handmade website for all these products. Thank you very much for watching, and also do not forget to subscribe to this channel. It's Ishani signing off. Take care. Bye-bye.